Yes.
So I thought I could play you a new song if that's alright. Since we're in the like depressing mood. So this is a song that's coming out in a couple of weeks. For those of you who don't know, I'm going on an American tour in October, supporting Miss Eloise, and yeah, she's actually a feature on this song, and it's beautiful. It's a beautiful record, but I'm just going to play you a little acoustic version of it. This is called "Why Don't You Want Me." It's so sad. What I'm going to say, not the time to go get a drink, alright? You noisy bastards at the back. Love you too, mate. So, yeah, get your depressing hats on. I heard your toothbrush, you get into bed. You'd rather a book than be holding my head in your hand. 'Cause you got better plans. You sigh and roll over and turn off the light. Lie on your back as you whisper goodnight to the ceiling, and I can't help but feeling. Why don't you want me? Why don't you want me like I want you? Tired, you're busy, up early for work. You got your priorities, guess I'm just set on the first. But it could be so much worse. And I'm so obsessed, baby, you wouldn't believe it. Sleeping alone next to you, I become half a human. Oh, what are you doing? Why don't you want me? Why don't you want me like I want you? Why can't you see me? Why don't you need me like I need you? Thank you very much.